Thinking about launching a cosmetic product in the EU, you'll need more than great packaging and branding. You'll need to comply with EU Cosmetic Regulation, EC number 1223/2009. This regulation applies to everything from moisturizers and makeup to toothpaste and deodorants, and it's designed to ensure products are safe, labeled correctly, and not misleading to consumers. Here are the core requirements every cosmetic brand must meet. Responsible person, someone established in the EU who ensures compliance and acts as your legal contact. Product Information File, PIF, a detailed technical file including safety assessments, formulation data, and proof of claims. Safety Assessment. Each product must undergo a safety assessment by a qualified professional. Labeling. You must include INCI ingredient names, batch numbers, warning, shelf life, and the responsible person's name and address. Notification via CPNP. Before placing a product on the market, it must be registered on the Cosmetic Products Notification Portal. No animal testing. Animal testing is strictly prohibited for finished cosmetic products and ingredients intended for the EU market. Whether you're a UK brand expanding into the EU or a new business developing your first product, compliance is not optional. It's essential for market access and brand credibility. At Patient Guard, we support cosmetic brands with responsible person services, safety assessments, and EU compliance every step of the way. Book your free discovery call today and launch your cosmetic line with confidence.